Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Jambu Fruit Dove in Heartopia. So you'll see them in the suburbs all day, whether it's sunny, rainbow, or rainy. And I just usually find them when I'm driving around. They're actually a pretty easy bird to find. You will need to be level 7 to unlock this bird, and this is what they look like. Oh, they fly around a lot, so be aware of that. And now it's gone. Oh, never mind, it's here. They're super pretty though. I like them because they're cute. See, look how cute it is. Oh my god. Okay, pose. Pose for me. Oops. But this is what they look like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!